Hello, today I'll be explaining and answering the question fireworks. Here's the question. In Woods Park, there are 96 fireworks going off. In Capitol Park, there is 276 fireworks going off. How many altogether? Well, there's only one step to this question, and to answer this question, you do 276 plus 20 plus 96. I wrote down the answer and added it all up, and this is what I got. 372. And I think that's the answer. Then I did 372. Now I will do 372 minus 276, and then 12. And the answer I got was 96. And the answer I got was 96. 96. So the answer is correct. Thank you. Bye.